Hi guys, I'm Agent Cadet Daryl Burasca, BS Mari 1F student. I hope you're doing great today. Now, I have something to share with you about last well-known political scientists and communication theories. He is the who developed the Laswell communication model. He is Harold Laswell, was born in February 13, 1902. He an influential political scientist known for seminal studies of power relation best known for his linear model of communication in 1948. Laswell model of communication describes who is saying something, which channel is used to convey the message, who the message is aimed at, what effect the message has. So basically focuses on verbal communication with five aspects. First is who says what in which channels, to whom, at what effect. Who is a speaker? Speaker says what a message in which channel is a medium, to whom an audience, and what effect to result of the message. Well stated that in order to understand the process of mass communication, one has to understand each of the stages of who control analysis, that content analysis, to whom referred audience analysis, and effect analysis. For example, CCN News alert a water leak from Japan, tsunami, cripple nuclear power station result in about times the permitted level of radioactive material flowing into the sea. Operator Tokyo Electric Power said on Saturday, identifying object, who, what channel, to whom, and affect the advantage. It is easy and simple. It suit for all types of communication. It is concept of affect. The disadvantage of feedback is not mentioned. Noise not mentioned. It is linear. I included conclusion. Laswell model of communication has been widely adopted, but without feedback, a communication process cannot be fruitful. It is commonly used to pursue the media for focus more on the resulting outcome, and Laswell model is very linear and does not consider barriers into the communication process. That's all guys. Hope you had taken notes. Goodbye guys. Thank you for watching.